Do you have a nasal tone and you speak like this? Or are you really fast and people don't understand you? Or do you have a monotonous tone like a robot and you put people to sleep? Can people even hear you when you speak? I know that we have certain speaking styles of our own, but with these speaking styles, do you know what you're going to do or what is going to happen? You are going to drive people away from you. People might just make fun of your communication and they won't even take your communication, your message, your information seriously, although you have great phrases, brilliant ideas to share. Your ideas will lose the seriousness and the impact of what you want to say. So what are you going to do about it? How are you going to make that 360-degree change in your communication skills? Or are you just thinking? Or you're probably wondering, is it really possible to change the way you speak? The answer is yes, you can, and you can make it happen in the shortest possible time. Believe me. I have a link for you in the description of this video where I have shared some surefire tricks on how you can make a 360-degree change in your communication skills and be the smart mouth you always wanted to be. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link in the description box below, go to Skillopedia and just make it happen for yourself, guys. Let's go!